Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you in this weekly episode of Market Kya Lagta Hai. What a huge fall in this week in case of Bank Nifty. Nifty is still holding the important support level. So let us jump on to the Nifty and Bank Nifty combined chart to see how these indices are looking on a weekly time frame. So if you can see on the left side, we can see Nifty, which is very well holding the support level so far and also holding the 50 EMA on a weekly time frame. At the same time, Bank Nifty is showing a lot of selling and a weakness on the index level. So in a way, in this fall, it's a leading index. Let's go quickly on a Nifty individual chart and we'll check hourly chart. If you remember last week, I had mentioned Nifty needs to sustain about 23,938 or 24,000 to continue the next bullish move. It failed the breakout and eventually now it is testing the previous low level, which is of 23,263. Now this is going to be an important crucial support level. If this low is broken in a quick manner, then we may see further bearish action, and in that case the target can be around 22,800 odd level. But for this to be achieved, we need a breakdown which should be fast and furious kind of a breakdown is needed. So let us observe this price action. Multiple support levels are here. So at this point in time, unless and until this is broken, we will not look for a further new trade. Ideally, it should just consolidate here for some time, few hours, and then eventually it should break below this 23,263. So this is about Nifty. If this breaks down, then we will look for this target of 22,829, and then the next target possible can be 22,300 odd level, which is 1.618% of on the Fibonacci graph. If we move on to Bank Nifty registered a very quick and aggressive fall throughout this period. And if you remember last week, we had mentioned about bullish bias above 51,740. So it was just touch and go at this level of 51,740. It could not sustain near 52,000 or above 52,000. And eventually it has given up all the gains, and currently it is below the low of 49,787, which was our bullish bias basis for our bullish bias, and currently it is trading at 48,779. So as per Fibonacci, the target that we had calculated can be around 48,500 odd level. It is possible that there is some intermediate bounce. That bounce can again bring us back to 49,800 odd level, or maybe this hourly 50 EMA. So that is possible, but in this entire period, look for your setup, and whenever you get an opportunity with a small risk and at least 1:2 risk to reward ratio, these are the setups you should ideally try, and that is the way we should go about it. At this point, I will not get into whether it is going to form some kind of a bottom and from there's going to be a bounce. So let us not get into assumption. Let us follow the trend, how it is progressing, and most importantly, focus on your position sizing and your setup basically. So a smaller risk and the reward has to be taken into account, so things become simpler and easier for you. So this is about Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. One quick look at the ratio chart of Bank Nifty vis-a-vis Nifty, and as the correction has intensified in Bank Nifty, you can see that the trend on this Bank Nifty and Nifty ratio chart changed dramatically very quickly, and this was in a way indication for the change of trend or change in intensity for Bank Nifty. In coming week, it can be said that it can be expected that now Nifty should show us some kind of momentum, and then and only then we'll be able to understand how this next week is going to go. So at this point, I'm not going to be overly bearish. At the same time, I am not very bullish to trade in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Rather, as long as this 23,263 is holding, we will maintain a sideways kind of a trend. But if this 23,263 is broken, then we may very quickly see 22,829 as the first target for this particular week. So that's it from me for this quick video. See you next week. Thank you so much for watching. I'm signing off. Bye bye.